right, welcome to Valley Cottage, New York at the ilFornino Pizza Academy. I'm Carl from Hot Carl's Pizza. Today we'll be making a pizza with you and using the chef's elite ilFornino oven, okay? So if you look at this oven, you can tell it's got that circular shape traditional to a Neapolitan style oven. Today we're not making Neapolitan style pizza, more of a New York and Neapolitan hybrid. So we hope you appreciate it. Take a look and please visit us at ilFornino.com. You can see how our events work, how you can get involved, how you can learn how to make pizza right here in this kitchen. It's gonna be really cool. So first we're gonna get this dough out to a decent circular shape using our weight. Don't be shy here, okay? Lean into the pizza. Don't treat it like it's a baby bird. Treat it like you mean business, all right? So we're starting out nice and circular. Keep it circular the entire time. If you don't do that, it's gonna be tough to get it circular afterwards. So press it down, use a little W shape, stretch, keep turning. Make sure you have a little bit of flour. We use a little semolina as well. This is just for the experienced maker here. It helps make it look like you know what you're doing, and it also makes it a little bit larger through centrifugal force. All right, so this one we're gonna put a little toppings on. Let's do a white pizza, a little ricotta. And we'll add a little provolone mozz blend, and we'll throw it in the oven. Let's see how long it takes to cook in the chef's elite. Prov mozz. Now I'm going to use my sliding peel to put this in the oven. The only purpose of this peel is really just to get it in the oven. Once we do that, we're going to use our turning peel to spin it. All right, we're looking good. Follow me to the oven. Nice landing. And now we change to our banjo style peel. This is nice, a circular peel. It's a little bit smaller than the circumference of the, that's the diameter of the pie, so we can spin it easily and get it underneath. You really want to let it sit as long as you can in one spot before you spin it so it can set. And now we're ready to turn. Get under there, turn it. Kind of land in the same spot. That spot's cooled down a little bit. Okay, we're counting it down. This is going to be a fast cook, as you can see. So you really got to watch it. If you get too hot, you just use it the right side of the oven, then it'll cool it down. It won't be quite so hot. It gives you a little more time to cook it. Almost there. Just about done. I'm going to try and get it as crisp as I can. Dome it. She is ready to enjoy. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the bottom as well. Make sure the bottom of the nice cooking. See that? Gorgeous. Just perfect, just how we like it. So please, come on down to ilFornino at your leisure. Sign up for a class online, ilFornino.com, and we will show you how to make pizza. We'll show you how to use these ovens here. We got a variety of ovens to choose from. This is just one of them. There's a factory full of them. Come on down and visit us. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.